Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To prevent fungal diseases, apply baking soda spray for tomatoes to the plants every 7 to 14 days until the humidity levels no longer promote infections. Plants already infected need to be sprayed as often as every 5 to 7 days until the disease symptoms clear up.
Take our lead.
For instance, you can sprinkle fresh coffee grounds around acid-loving plants like azaleas, hydrangeas, blueberries, and lilies. Many vegetables like slightly acidic soil, but tomatoes typically don't respond well to the addition of coffee grounds.
Take our lead.
Epsom salt used as a foliar spray or soil additive will help tomato and pepper plants grow and produce larger, tastier yields. Epsom salt is highly soluble and easily taken in by plants when combined with water and sprayed on leaves.
Make your mark, take our lead.
White vinegar blasts bugs on plants as an ingredient in a homemade soap spray. Mix 3 cups water and 1 cup vinegar in a spray bottle and add 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Spray it on plants, including trees and shrubs, to get rid of pests.
Take our lead.
If they are overused, baking soda sprays can injure tomato plants, causing the leaves to dry out significantly, so use these treatments carefully. Baking soda sprays can also have harmful effects on the soil, because the baking soda can build up when sprayed in drought-stressed areas where only drip irrigation is used.
Let's help you make your mark.
Choose a fertilizer that has a balanced ratio of the 3 major elements, such as the 10th of October 10, or where the middle number, phosphorus, is larger than the first number, nitrogen, such as 2, 3, 1. Tomatoes are heavy feeders and usually do need fertilizer unless your soil is very rich.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.